Hey guys, so yesterday I forgot to do the daily math, so we're going to do Thursdays and Fridays today. So let's take out the one that says Thursday, and it's going to say, has like fractions on it. So how many total equal parts are there? So that means I'm just going to count to see my equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's write this one. Write the fraction that represents the shaded part of the figure using words. So I always do, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3, and then I do the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3/5. 3/5 is what is shaded. Okay, so let's look at the bottom. Brendan used an apple slicer to cut an apple into 8s. The number of apple slices he ate are shown. So he ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there was 8 of them, and then he ate 6 of them. Which shows a way to write the amount of apples Brandon ate. Okay, so he ate 6, and there was 8 of them. So 6/8. Which statement is true about the shaded parts of the diagram below? So first off, let's see. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8. So let's see which statement. The circle has a total of 5 equal parts. We just said there's a total of 8, so this one cannot be it. 1/2 of the circle is shaded. So that means 1/2, guys, would be this whole side is shaded, which is, but look, you have this little piece here. So it's more than 1/2. The circle has a total of 3 equal parts. We have 8 equal parts. 5/8 of the circle is shaded. Yes, 5/8. So D. Okay, let's look at Fridays. And we're working on money, even and odd, and time. So how much money did he earn? So remember, when I count money, I start with my biggest values. And so these are quarters, and we know quarters are worth 25. So I'm going to say 25, 50, and 75. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next biggest value, which is a dime, and that's 10. So I'm going to say 75 plus 10 is 85. And then I have nickels, so I'm going to start counting by 5s. 85, 90, 95. So I have 95 cents. Okay. Which amount, write the amount and compare them using greater than, less than, or equal to. So first I got to count. So I'm going to say I have 25. I have 35. Oh, there's another quarter. I missed the quarter. 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. So on this side, I have 76 cents. On this side, let's see, I have 25, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 78. So 76 cents is less than 78 cents. Okay, and remember, with money, guys, you start counting with the bigger coins, not the bigger size coins, the bigger value. So we're talking about odd and even. If you remember, we did odd and even in 2nd grade, and we said that if it's an even number, when you have an even number and you draw it out, it's going to have a partner. Okay, you're going to be able to put 2 in a group. When it's odd, you're not able to partner them up. You'll have 1 left. So when making pairs, even numbers have no leftovers. So you see, none of these have a leftover. If I were to go to pair them up, they don't have leftovers. Now, if I go to pair these up, I can't pair that one up because there's nobody to pair with. Number 3 I can pair up, but I have a leftover. When making pairs odd, numbers have 1 left over. And you can kind of see that in the picture. Okay, students enter the school building at 7:50 a.m. Show 7:50 a.m. on the clock. So remember, our shorthand is going to tell our hour. So my shorthand, and it's not going to be directly on the 5, guys, because it's starting to get close to 8. So my shorthand is going to be kind of in the middle of 7 and 8. And then 50. Remember, we count our minutes by 5. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So my longhand kind of kisses the number. So my shorthand doesn't go all the way. My longhand, which is my minute hand, is going to kiss that number. Okay, so my clock shows me 7:50.